I see some cover and stuff that I'd like to cast into and fish. But I tell you what, by the time I set the paddle down, pick up the rod, I've already probably moved 30 feet. I need a spot I can post up at. Somewhere I can anchor down and not have a problem. I smell fish. It smells like someone left a fish on the shore. I can see the flow in the middle of the river. It's stronger than it is here on the edge. I think I'm going to stick to the edges. Over where the boat launch was, the edges were worse and the middle was better. Here it's different. Guess you got to learn how to read the river and pick the right spot or you're totally screwed. Once again, I see another spot I'd like to fish. But with the current as strong as it is here, if I tie off and my boat gets sideways, it'll flip. You can kind of tell the current is stronger when you see little whirlpools. When you don't see the whirlpools, it's easier. There's little whirlpools there. Hey, a little turtle. There's turtles everywhere in Texas. Everywhere I go, including the roads, there are turtles. Almost hit one the other day on the freeway. My Rebel grasshopper isn't getting it done. I wish I'd have brought a jig heavy enough to actually hold my bait to the ground. Every jig I throw out there just gets tumbled in the current. And the other day when I went out, the jigs I brought were too heavy. Today they're too light. Story of life. All right. Gave it a couple casts. Nothing turned up. Let's head back in the river. Ooh, you accelerate pretty quickly when you just don't paddle. With more relaxed strokes and staying close to the bank, doing much better. I'm actually moving upriver now. I can see the current in the middle, and here it's not so bad. So I'm going to look for the calm patches and paddle through them. The banks are all mud and they're all steep. On the Neches, the banks were real shallow and sandy. Here it's just mud. Get out of the boat, you're going to sink at least ankle deep, probably deeper. Great big old fish just jumped in the water. Sucker was at least 6 pounds. I don't know, probably a carp. The only fish I've seen in Texas that big were carp. Could have been a catfish, but I think that was a carp. From what I've been told, there's alligator gar up in this river, and they eat carp. They don't eat bass. They don't eat catfish. They don't eat bluegill or crappie. They eat carp. Over at Cedar Creek, I saw a whole bunch of carp jumping just like that. And their tails look the same too. I'm pretty sure that was a carp. Oh, this is nice. This stretch of the river is actually kind of pleasant. Not nerve-wracking at all like over by the boat launch.